You guys, she was gatekeeping, but I saw that. Oh my gosh, I look like I just got fillers. This trick is insane, but this is the Korean way. Hello gorgeous, my name is Jina and welcome to my channel. I recently visited Korea and I did a photo shoot. I did like a profile picture photo shoot in Korea and I hired a makeup artist. Oh my gosh, she did the most gorgeous, natural, like the Korean actress makeup on me. And I loved it so much. I loved how natural and Korean I looked. I asked for a Korean aesthetic and she served. She served it so well and I was so happy with this look. I asked her a lot of questions and I took down some notes over here. So I'm gonna talk about these Korean makeup artist beauty secrets and makeup tips. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and let's go. Ka-cha! First off, I asked her for the Korean aesthetic, right? For the photo shoot, I wanted the most natural, the Korean aesthetic. And y'all, she ate. She's so good. So first beauty secrets that I got is base makeup is extremely important. And as we all know, if you're curious about Asian beauty, they're always about looking natural. Instead of the full glam, they like the 꾸안꾸, meaning natural, like pretty, but like it's almost like effortless, the effortless, natural, clean girl look. But you know, like we all know how difficult it is to achieve that look. But anyway, so for the base makeup, she used On Ingredients primer slash moisturizer to put it underneath. She like used her hands. She recommended this one specific product because she said like it's her go-to. Every makeup artist in Korea take their time on base makeup. So that's why they want to make sure the skin is prepped, moisturized, glowy, and ready to go before the foundation. And moving on to the foundation, they apply very thinly and light foundation and they use little sponge. But when they apply foundation, I thought they would use spatula because I've seen it everywhere on social media, but they actually used like flat brush like this and then they just applied it like this. You can sometimes see the strokes, so that's when the sponge comes in and she just dabbled around to get rid of the strokes. What's interesting is that the foundation was almost like a tone-up cream, like to brighten up your face tone, not necessarily like fully covering everything. That moves on to the concealer part. This makeup artist used spot conceal. Instead of going full coverage foundation, she just used like a small brush like this. Concealer to spot conceal. So she would use it on like zits or moles, things like that. So the next tip that I got is 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑻𝑨𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺. So 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑐𝑚𝑣 is the under eye bag makeup. In Korean beauty, under eye bag is considered as youthful and we like to highlight our under eye bags. But this makeup artist, she said, just go heavier. So I used gliding pencil liner. This is for 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑗𝑠. Highlight it under the eye like this. Like that. Then it's not done yet. Going over with the sparkle like shimmers. Clio Pro Eye Palette number 8. Y'all, I used so much of it. I'm gonna use this color right here. Light Wish underneath. Like that. It is very, very, very sparkly now. And then using the same palette, I'm gonna use like a little taper brush like this. I'm gonna use the color Gingerbird. You have to overdo the 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑗𝑠. She told me like go heavy, like and way down than how I would have done it. Like that. It's almost like dark circles. I'm still not used to this look, but this is the Korean way. Gotta trust the process. And one of the tips that I gotten from her is like she actually dragged it way down than my usual spot. Like I would have like done it up here, but she recommended doing it like down here. And then stretch it out. Stretching out like to the end, like this. The same way, like that. Ooh, do I look different? Oh my god, I look so Korean already. I am Korean. And then make sure you blend it out using the same brush. Make sure the lines are seamless. The eyeliner. She went under waterline using pencil, and we all know doing the eyeliner downwards, right, to achieve the puppy eye look. Also, she used, instead of harsh eyeliner pencil, she used dark brown. Like I'm gonna use this dark brown malted beige color right here. Like that. It's almost like adding depth. You see that the eyeliner is going down. You can use brown shadow like me, like this. Okay. All right. The next tip is shading. I'm using Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodeng. So I have a lot to say about this tip because it was interesting. I thought she would skip out on shading or contour, but she actually took a brush like this and then she went inner, like around my eye hole area, down the nose bridge like this a little bit, and then none on the chin. I don't know why. I think it's different preference for sure. Oh, and then lashes, you guys. Lashes are so important. I have a different clip over here. So one of the things I've noticed is first they put on falsies. She likes to cut it with small scissors and then apply mascara. And then she uses the freaking lighter, like this lighter. So I'm gonna show you how she did it, and I'm gonna show you alternative way to do this at home safely. Okay, so I do have these bamboo sticks that I cut up. I obviously, as you see, I used it a couple times already. So you're basically gonna burn these. Make sure these are all cooled down though. We don't want to burn your. So then she uses them to curl up. It's more like to put your actual lashes with the false lashes, almost like this. If you're too scared to try this, like even this method seems a little bit like sketchy to me, I found a way. So we all have a curler, right? Lash curler like this. Mine's from Shiseido. We're basically gonna warm the upper right here. So using the lighter, we're targeting right here. So it's like, do you see around this area? And y'all be quick because it can be very hot. I only did it like right here. I'm not using this part, I'm just gently pressing it up like that. You see it? Once it's curled up, I'm gonna go back and gently, lightly kind of pinch them. And then sometimes if it's like sticking out too much, then we're just gonna push them down like this to make sure lashes are even, like that. So for the blush, I am using the Blending Mood Shake Beige Neat. So One of the tips I've noticed is they use this small brush. This one right here. And then we're gonna go under the eye, like this. And then like this. And she actually put it on my cheeks too, the highest cheekbone area, which I thought that was surprising. But the trick is you gotta use these small brushes. In that case, you can get it very accurately. For the lips, the last but not least, the lips. She actually overlined my lips and I freaking love this so much. And here is the trick. And I'm using 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗 Overlux lip pencil. You can use any lip pencils pretty much. This one is like gonna be like the guide of your lips. She actually overlined it like very, very much, like almost to here. And then the trick was she blended out with concealer, like foundation or like, we gotta make sure the line is blended. So blending out the line, because it's all about looking natural, right? Like that. And then I'm also using 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗. This has been my favorite. One of the things that I've noticed is she used various different colors. You guys, she was gatekeeping, but I saw that she used a lot of different Roam ND products, but I couldn't get it. But anyway, I'm gonna use this 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗 and I'm wearing different colors already and using the little small taper brush again. She made sure to put it inside the inner lips. So for lip gloss, I'm using this one, Fenty Beauty color Fenty Glow. And the trick is you gotta go up like that and then blend it out. And like this, oh my gosh, I look like I just got fillers. It looks so different. I look like I just got fillers or something. Right? But it's not like too much. And I promise you, this trick is insane. I look so good. I feel like the Korean aesthetic is like, this is it. Like, not too much, but I did spend a lot of time, but it looks very simple and elegant. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like, I am unsure how she did it so flawlessly. There you go. Thank you so much. Shout out to that girl, because like, look at this. I mean, you can compare from beginning of the video to now. I added a little bit of the tricks to it, and you can already see the difference. I feel like the steps were so subtle, but it made a huge difference, right? Let me know in the comments which tips you like the most. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. 안녕!